Goa Waste Management Corporation was set up with the primary objective of scientifically managing the solid waste generated by the state of Goa. आता वेस्ट म्हणजे गार्बेज आणि गार्बेज जी बिचार जनरेट जाता आख्खे गोंयच्या बिचार इतली वर्सां ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंट वॉज इश्यूइंग टेंडर्स फॉर नॉर्थ गोवा and साउथ गोवा till 2012. Till 2012, North Goa separate and South Goa separate, they were issuing tenders. आणि दोग जाण कोण तरी घेताले आणि लोकल लोक आमचे ती वेस्ट काडटाले आणि खंय सेग्रिगेट करून खंय ट्रीट करताले ती कोणाकूच खबर नासली. After our government came to power in 2012, two companies got the tender. From the time Solid Waste Management Corporation was formed and the garbage treatment plant was set up on the Kalangut plateau, this waste started coming over there. वो सगळो गार्बेज बिचार जो जनरेट जाता तो थिंगा येवपाक लागलो in a segregated manner. Last from December 2016 till today, 2 years now, nearly 2 years, Drishti was doing this job. All of a sudden Drishti has stopped and the people of Goa, the tourists, the Indian tourists and the foreign tourists are facing, I don't know, I cannot say who has created this mess, but finally we have to take the responsibility as a government. I as a MLA of Kalangut constituency, आमदार हांव Kalangut constituency, responsibility आयनी घेवपाकूच जाय की I have failed to deliver. आणि आता टेंडर जो येता is being again floated by tourism department, which I have already spoken to the Honorable Minister for Tourism to reconsider his decision to give this process of tender to Solid Waste Management Corporation. So-called tender, which they are supposed to float for around 12.5 crores plus some consultation and to check the beach. म्हणजे overall supervision म्हणून आणि कितें हे करून ते 15 कोटी कितें जाता. वो टेंडर आता सिंगल टेंडर म्हणून येयलो, कोणे एकट्यानूच खंय ताका बीड केल्लें आहा. ते खातीर तेणी एक्सटेंशन दिला another 10 days. Tourism department, this tender is supposed to open in the next 3 or 4 days. I have made the letter to the Honorable Chief Minister and I have sought his appointment today at 5 o'clock that this tender process needs to be stopped. Because tourism department cannot handle garbage on the beach. Let me be very clear that I am not against Honorable Tourism Minister Babu Asgaonkar. कोणे मिस कोट म्हाका करचो न्हू की हो जो टेंडर तुमी जो फ्लोट करता तो ताबडतोब बंद करचो आणि ट्रान्सफर करचो सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशनाक. ना जाल्यार सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन तरी बंद करचें. आनीक गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट गोंयांत नाका, एक बांदला तो पुरो. जो तर तुम्ही सिरियस ना ह्या इश्यूआचेर जाल्यार बंद करा कॉर्पोरेशन. And I have also made this letter to all the other departments, Chief Secretary, Minister for Tourism, Director Tourism, Managing Director GTDC. I have also said that I will not shy behind to file a writ petition in the High Court. I will have to file it myself. I will go to that extent. If they do not stop the process of this tender or they do not transfer this tender to Solid Waste Management Corporation, I will go to High Court. Because how can tourism department float a tender where they do not have a technical expertise?